Welcome to my study channel. Friends, our today's topic is Sustainable Development Goals. This is our 43rd video for the JK SSB jobs preparation. Friends, without wasting time, let's start. Question number 1 is, when was the term Sustainable Development came into existence? When was the term Sustainable Development came into existence? Here answer is 1980. Next question is, the United Nations Commission on Sustainable Development, that is CDS, was established by the UN General Assembly in December dash. Here answer is 1992. Once again, second question is, the United Nations Commission on Sustainable Development CDS was established by the UN General Assembly in December dash. Here answer is 1992. Next question is, which of the following are 17 new sustainable development goals? First is, conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas and marine resources. Second is, reduce inequality within and among countries. Third is, take urgent actions to combat climate change and its impacts. Here A is 1 and 3, B is 2 and 3, C is all of the above. Friends, here all of the above is the right answer. All of the above are 17 न्यू सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स, यानी कि 3 ये जो गोल दिए हैं ये जो है 17 में इंक्लूड है. सो ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट? आंसर, व्हाट इज सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट? हियर ऑप्शन ए इज द डेवलपमेंट दैट मीट्स द नीड्स of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. B is to conserve natural resources and to develop alternate sources of power while reducing pollution and harm to the environment. C is, it is the practice of developing land and construction projects in manner that reduces their impact on the environment by allowing them to create energy efficient models of self-sufficiency. Here answer is all of the above. All of the above is the right answer. Next question is question number 5th, that is, which of the following is correct if we only achieve 2 out of 3 pillars of sustainable development? Question number 5 is, which of the following is correct if we only achieve 2 out of 3 pillars of sustainable development? A is social plus economic sustainability is equal to equitable. B is social plus environmental sustainability equal to viable. C is economic plus environmental sustainability is equal to viable. Here option D is the right answer, that is all of the above. Next question is, consider the following statements related to the sustainability. First is, it refers to a process or state that can be maintained indefinitely. Second is, natural resources must use in ways that do not create ecological debts by over exploiting the carrying and productive capacity of the earth. Third is, a minimum necessary condition for sustainability is the maintenance of the total natural capital stock at or above the current level. Codes are only 1, only 2, only 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3. Friends, here answer is 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following is not an objective of sustainable development? Continue. A is continue to implement the family planning program. B is maintain a dynamic balance or arable land not less than 123 million hectares and implement an agriculture development strategy. C is maintain a dynamic balance of water resources by reducing water consumption for every unit of gross development product growth and agriculture value added. D is to bring about a gradual and sometimes catastrophic transformation of environment. Friends, here option D is the right answer. Which of the following is not an objective of sustainable development? To bring about a gradual and sometimes catastrophic transformation of environment. Next question is, what are the primary goals of sustainability? One is the end of poverty and hunger. Second is better standard of education and healthcare as it pertains to water quality and better sanitation. Third is to achieve gender equality. Fourth is sustainable economic growth while promoting jobs and stronger economies. Codes are 1, 2 and 3. Friends, here option A is the right answer, that is 1, 2 and 3. Next question is, which of the following are the 17 new sustainable development goals? A1 is ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Second is end 80% poverty in all its forms everywhere. Third is make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient and sustainable. Here option A is the right answer, that is 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are included in the 17 new sustainable development goals. Next is sustainable development goals are targeted to be achieved by. Sustainable development goals are targets are to be achieved by. आंसर इज 20/30 यानी कि 2030 तक जो है ये जो गोल है हम अचीव करने का सोचा है. 10th number question is, a million voices the word we want is reported by. A million voices the word we want is reported by. Answer is UN, United Nations. Next question is, how many sustainable development goals SDGs have been agreed to by all the world's nation as part of the 2030 agenda? Here answer is 17. Next question is, each SDG is supported by a set of targets, specific objectives that are associated with that goal. How many targets are there in total? Here answer is 169. Next question is, goal is about poverty. What is the aim of this goal? Option A is end poverty by 2030, reduce poverty in half by 2030, and C is end poverty in all its forms everywhere. This is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following is not part of goal 15 on ecosystems? A option is halt and reverse land degradation. B is half biodiversity loss. C is halt the use of biotechnology and genetic engineering. D is use ecosystems sustainability while protecting and restoring them. So here option C is the right answer. Which of the following is not part of goal 15 on ecosystem? Halt the use of biotechnology and genetic engineering is not part of goal 15 on ecosystems. Next question is, in the agenda sustainable development goal #13 on climate change has an asterisk after it by. In the 2030 agenda, sustainable development goal #13 on climate change has an asterisk after it by. Option A is because addressing climate change is more important than the all other goals. B is because the negotiators were unable to come an agreement on a climate change goal. C is because the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, which is meeting in Paris in late 2015, is the forum where more detailed decisions on climate will be made. Here option C is the right answer. Next question is, how many sustainable development goals are there? Friends, this question is important. Here answer is 17. Next question is, the sustainable development goals are designed to apply to which countries? A is only countries in sub-Saharan Africa. B is low and middle countries but not high income countries. C is all countries, both rich and poor. Here friends, option C is the right answer, that is all countries, both rich and poor. Next question is, which of the following is not a sustainable development goal? Here A is ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. B is end poverty in all its forms everywhere. C is take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. Here option D is the right answer, that is eliminate racism in all its forms. Next question is, the first sustainable development goal aims to eradicate extreme poverty. How does the UN currently measure extreme poverty? A is people who are unemployed and unable to access welfare benefits from the state. B is people who live on less than $5 a day. C is people who live on less than $1.25 a day. People who claim to be living in poverty. Friends, here option B is the right answer, that is people who live on less than $5 a day. Next question is, the Sustainable Development Goal bill adopted by leaders at UN headquarters in which city? The Sustainable Development Goals will be adopted by leaders at UN headquarters in which city? Friends, most important question. The Sustainable Development Goals which will be adopted by leaders at UN headquarters in which city? Here A is Rio de Janeiro, B is London, C is New York. Friends, here option C is the right answer, that is New York. यहाँ पे जो है Sustainable Development Goals will be adopted by leaders at UN headquarters in which city? In New York. So New York is the right answer. So friends, today we have done 20 most important questions. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है और आप इस चैनल के ऊपर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाला हर वीडियो सबसे पहले आपके पास पहुंचे. सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग. प्रिपेयर वेल, परफॉर्म वेल. जय हिंद, जय भारत. बाय बाय. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.